Good Monday, everyone. It's KJ here at WCNC Charlotte. So we have a brand new tropical storm in the southwest Gulf of Mexico. This is Tropical Storm Francine. Here's the latest forecast track. So it's moving towards Texas as well as Louisiana right now. It will likely intensify and turn into a hurricane before it makes landfall on Wednesday. So we'll see this system moving into the mid-south. Here's the latest in terms of futurecast. So notice the storm will lift out of the Gulf of Mexico, bringing heavy rain, storm surge, and tropical storm force winds to parts of the Gulf Coast region as well as into the mid-south. We can see remnants of the system moving into the western section of the Carolinas. So a half a foot to a foot of rain is anticipated for portions of the Gulf Coast region. We could see upwards of 3 to 4 inches of rainfall, which could lead to some flooding concerns over the mountains. Right now, it looks like we'll have a stalled front the second half of our week headed into the weekend. This will keep periods of rain across the area for both Friday, Saturday, even as well as into our Sunday. So be prepared for some impacts from Francine as it weakens over land. So I'm accounting for the higher chances of rainfall. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we do have a decent chance for some wet weather.